Hey Kigali people, what's up? What's up? It's your girl Kami. Today mbazaniye mbazaniye plot. This is the plot. Eshanu z'ukwa kane, 5th April. Guys, don't miss out. Mark your calendar. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Last brunch. It's gonna be a lot. Hot fire. Hey. So tuzaturi kumwe na DJ batandukanye. Don't miss out. I'm gonna be there. We're gonna be vibing. Drinks, eat, swimming. To those who like the pool vibe, guys, don't miss out. So tuzaturi kumwe na DJ batandukanye. DJ Rampa, DJ Uno, DJ Kavodi, and DJ Phil Peter. A lot of DJs, guys. DJ Nessa, DJ Crush. I can't wait to see. So guys, get your ticket. Hachirikari, get your ticket. So tuzahurire hariya. It's gonna be. Don't miss out. Love you guys. Mwah.